Hi, David! He has bread and enjoying. Look at him. And we are both enjoying the nature. Look at this, babe. Let's go. So I brought umbrella just to be sure. Let's go. Ito siya, babe. This is what I'm going to miss here, babe, because ano lang to, oh, parang $1 lang siya. And it's cooked already. Mura siya. Sa atin din, no, sa Pinas. Mura din sa atin, no, yung mga cooked, lutong ulam. Kain tayo, be. Let's eat. Lalo na yung lutong, bahay. Ito yung lutong ulam, diba? Lutong bahay, yung mga vegetables, no, mas mura sa Pinas. Dito din, mura din, be. Home cooked. But this one is for quick. And if it's just like, it's only like $1. You don't have to cook anymore. At saka kasi, I don't know their recipe na ganito, be. Ang alam ko lang is yung, you know, fried, anong tawag dito, squid or adobo squid. This one, this is different style of cooking. Kaya let's eat, be. Kain tayo. Let's eat.